ALVIN, Mr. Alvin Story Time! Hello everybody! Our story for today is Monkey's Miserable Monday by Valerie Garfield, illustrated by James Young. Monkey is in a bad mood. He woke up late and now he must hurry or he'll miss the school bus. This Monday morning is off to a miserable start, Monkey mutters. The bus will be here in a few minutes, but Monkey can't find any socks that match. What a miserable Monday, Monkey mutters. At breakfast, Monkey spills the milk. What a miserable Monday, Monkey mutters as he mops up the mess. Monkey has misplaced his lunch money, so he must make a sandwich. But there is no lunch meat, only mustard. What a miserable Monday, Monkey mutters. It is snowing outside. The monkey can't find his mittens anywhere. What a miserable Monday, Monkey mutters. Monkey looks over his math homework. He sees 2 mistakes. What a miserable Monday, Monkey mutters. Monkey runs out to the door to catch the bus. Whoops! He trips on the mat. All of his marbles roll out of his bag. Monkey is mad. I hate Mondays, Monkey moans. Monkey's mother comes to the door. What's the matter, my little monkey? She asks. Monkey tells his mother about the socks that don't match, the spilled milk, the mustard sandwich, the mistakes on his math homework, the lost mittens, the mat, and the marbles. Now, I'm going to miss the bus. Monkey moans. What a miserable Monday. Monkey's mother gives him a hug and smiles. But Munchkin, today isn't Monday, she says. It's only Sunday. Monkey's mother makes him a mug of cocoa with mini marshmallows. Then she mixes up a batch of maple muffins, Monkey's favorite. Monkey spends the rest of the morning drawing meadows and mountains with his magic markers. What a marvelous Sunday, says Monkey. And it is. So how many things can you find that begin with the letter M? M is for monkey, marbles, and mop. M is for mitten and mountaintop. M is for mouse and the moon in the sky. M is for muffin, milk, and mud pie. Hooray for M, big and small, the most magical, marvelous letter of all. The end. Thank you for watching!